we felt like it was a good opportunity here at the very beginning of December to let the public know what we're doing to train our officers and how we have specific training that will target DUI apprehension. So far, we've had a lot of wonderful benefits with the new training that we have instituted for our new recruits. There are exercises that we run officers through, and we want them to feel what it's like to be drunk and to have to go through the tests that the public has to go through. We work very closely with all of our partners to try to get the word out, and that's part of the education piece.
Matt has always been supportive of law enforcement's efforts to stop drunk driving, and so we're out here today at this event. I brought about 5 or 6 victims who had losses from drunk driving crashes, and they also appreciate what the police have done.
It's the holiday season. We realize people are celebrating, they're enjoying the shops and the restaurants and parties, and everybody wants to do that, but we want to celebrate safely. And if alcohol is going to be a part of your celebration, make sure you plan ahead. Don't get behind the wheel after you've had anything to drink. Designate a driver and keep your eyes open and drive defensively, because most likely there's somebody out on the road, unfortunately, who's chosen to drink and drive.